What's up? It's Craig here, and this is a little bit of a different video than I normally do. I'm sitting outside. I decided to work outside today. I'm working on a cool video. Actually, I'll give you a little look here real quick, just to kind of give you an idea. Yes, that is a monkey in a bar, and there's a reason for that. And if you're interested in seeing why I'm working on a video with a monkey in a bar, it's a pretty interesting concept. And there's a reason why I'm doing this. If you're interested in seeing that, let me know. But the reason that I wanted to shoot this video is because I was working on something earlier and I realized that I'm using a prompt phrase that I use so often and I never did a video about it. And I wanted to just do something real quick, something real short here that I think once you use this, if you haven't used this, try it out. I use this all the time. It is 4 words and it has really helped. And I know that I say that a lot. And I say that a lot because I do find these things definitely help. But the reason that I wanted to share this so badly with you is because it is so simple. And the 4 words are, could you be wrong? And when you use that is after you ask for your AI to do something, a question, for ideas, whatever it might be, or it's giving you information back, ask it, could you be wrong? And watch it do its thing and come back to you with information that I have found that looked completely accurate when it came through the first time, even with giving it some good information and so forth. And then just asking it, could you be wrong? It comes back with way better information, way more accurate, way more validated information as well. It will even go and double check some of its work to come back. And I'll give you a perfect example about this and why I decided to do this. So obviously I'm working, I use Higgsfield a lot when I'm doing a lot of my video stuff. And I was doing something where I was trying to figure something out and I was using ChatGPT, I believe, 5.5 high mode, and it gave me information back that I just didn't seem accurate. And that's exactly what I did. I said, could you be wrong? And it went through its thing and it thought, and it came back and it actually basically essentially said, yes, it was wrong, that it had assumed some stuff based off of other video models and so forth. And I was using Higgsfield, but I was using CDance 2.0 is what I was using. And I knew that it was able to do the certain thing. So I was like, why is it coming back saying this? This doesn't make any sense to me. And I used that prompt. Could you be wrong? And it came back. And not only did it correct itself, but it actually basically stated that it was making assumptions based off of some older training and things like that. Got me thinking, like, how often could it be doing that? How often might that be happening where AI is really telling you something that might seem very accurate and you're not quite sure? And this is a very easy way to be able to go back and double check. Now, is it going to be 100% accurate every single time? No, it will not. However, if you do see that it comes back and there's information that it's trying to fix or repair, then you know, okay, there was something wrong with the initial first response, and now the new response that it's giving you with that hopefully more validated information based off of data, based off of whatever it might be. So with that being said, try that out. Use that those 4 words. Could you be wrong? Yes, you can add more to it if you want to, but a lot of times all I do is say, could you be wrong? And I just wait for the response. And I'm pretty blown away. I would say 99 out of 100 times I have had to change the problem. Maybe not 99 out of 100, but let's just say 90% of the time it comes back and there's something that is definitely, actually multiple things that could be taken care of that were wrong in the initial response. And again, I use this all the time. If you haven't used something like that and you want to, use those 4 words. Again, very simple. Could you be wrong? And I think you'll be very pleasantly surprised at the results that that gives you. And you'll find different ways to be able to use it. The same 4 words, but you'll find how you can use that in different ways. And it's really something that I think is going to show you that sometimes it doesn't require some kind of a crazy prompt or a crazy phrase or a crazy prompt injection or whatever it might be. It might just be something as simple as, could you be wrong? Which makes me start to think, what other cool little phrases are out there that I've used before or that maybe I haven't discovered yet? And I'm in that process right now trying to figure out what that stuff is. So if you guys are also interested in that, as I start to come up with these, simple little phrases or these little prompts that you can do, prompt phrases that you can put in there, let me know, and I will create more videos like this, or shorter videos that kind of just give you those little prompt tricks, prompt phrase tricks, and things like that. Because regardless of what's going on with prompting is still going to be something that we're going to be doing for the next bit of time, no matter what. And knowing what to say, how to say it, when to say it, and all that kind of stuff is really my goal here moving into the rest of 2026. Is really, I want to know how things are working, why things are working the way they are, and share that with you guys so that you know when and how to use that stuff as well. So other than that, I know this was a little bit kind of all over the place. I didn't have anything here prepared. This was just something that I thought of real quick that I wanted to get out to you guys. And I hope it's helpful. I hope that you can find it useful and that you give it a try. And let me know what you think. And if this is something that you guys have been doing and I shared information that everybody in the world knew about, well, I'm sorry. Hopefully maybe it helps at least one or two of you that watch this. Other than that, thanks so much for watching. This is Craig, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.